In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts into Aweber. Before we begin, make sure you have permission to email everyone you're adding and have your contact list ready. A clean file with clear column headers, like email, first name, and last name, will make this process smoother. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Aweber. Click the official Aweber website in the results to head to the login page, then sign in to your account. Once you're in your dashboard, look at the top for the Current List dropdown. Choose the specific list you want to add your new contacts to. This is important because any contacts you import will go directly into the list you select here. Next, hover over the Subscribers tab in the main navigation and click Add Subscribers. On the page that opens, choose Import Multiple. This option lets you either upload a file or paste a list of addresses, depending on what you have ready. If you're using a file, click to browse and select it from your computer. Aweber supports .csv, .xls, .xlsx, and .txt formats. For best results, use a CSV with column headers, and remove any blank rows or duplicate emails ahead of time to avoid errors. If you prefer to paste, choose Paste from a list. Enter one contact per line. You can include an email and a name separated by a comma or a tab. For example, you might type an email followed by a first and last name on the same line. Keep the formatting consistent all the way down. After you upload or paste, you'll see a screen to map your fields. This is where you match each column from your list to Aweber's fields. Make sure the column containing email addresses maps to the email field. Then align first names, last names, and any custom data to the appropriate fields. If there are columns you don't need, set them to ignore. You'll then be asked whether new subscribers should confirm their subscription. Requiring confirmation can improve deliverability and list quality, while turning it off can speed up onboarding if you already have explicit permission. Choose the option that fits your compliance and workflow. You can also add tags to the entire group during import. Tags like source, campaign, or date help you segment and automate follow-ups later. Finally, confirm how these subscribers joined your list and whether they're coming from another email provider. Provide accurate details here. It helps Aweber verify permission and maintain strong deliverability. When everything looks good, submit your import. Aweber will process the list, and larger files may take a bit longer. Once it's done, spot check a few contacts in your list to ensure fields and tags look right. That's it. You've successfully imported contacts into Aweber.